What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you.
Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, you watching this video is because you want to learn how to make money from home, and with this video, my steps and the instruction I'll be giving in this video, you'll be making thousands of dollars weekly and hundreds of dollars daily, as you can see on the screen. Yes, if you are new to affiliate marketing, you have no issue, because even as a beginner in affiliate marketing, you can earn the same amount you can see on the screen. Yes, you can earn this beautiful amount you are seeing on the screen. Yes, so affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell, and for each product to sell, there's a percentage from total price which belongs to you, which will be given to you by the company or the site which you are working for. Yes, and the higher the price of the product, sometimes the higher your commission. Also, the number of products you sell per day, the higher your commission also. So in affiliate marketing, it is that way of selling something online. Yes, because physically you sell stores, but in this affiliate marketing it is similar, because it is just the digital platform that makes the difference. Yes, so in affiliate marketing we also have the product, the buyer and the seller, and anytime we have the product, buyer and seller, we need marketing and promotion for the buyer to know about the product, and so that they can buy the product. So in this affiliate marketing, the marketing aspect is very essential, and it is important for you to become a successful affiliate marketer. Yes, because you need to promote your products to people that need the product so that they can buy it, and for you to get your own commission. Yes, so in affiliate marketing you have two major ways by which you can promote your products. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is a way by which you pay digital platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or any digital platform to create adverts for your product. Yes, sometimes when you are scrolling down your Facebook or your Instagram, you see adverts that pop up. Even on YouTube, they pop up and advertise, okay, see this product, buy this product, check out this link. That is a paid traffic system. Yes, that's a paid traffic system. Also, you can pay freelancers on Fiverr, Upwork to promote your product. That's also a paid traffic system. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you the free traffic system that I'm using, because as an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, and over the years I've developed several software which has come with different updating, and now I have this software that is still working very efficient and very powerful. Yes, and it's giving me this result. You can see on the screen, you can see $700, $600, $500 per day. Yes, with my software you are going to be having access to daily earning. Yes, and my software is a free traffic system, which means after getting the software, you don't need to pay for the traffic or the adverts again. Just get the software and get started, and you can use it as long as you want. Yes, so my software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic online daily and promoting your affiliate product or link to this organic targeted traffic for you to get commission. Yes, my software generates targeted traffic, which means the traffic that need your product. Yes, in my video course you'll be having access to how to generate targeted traffic for each product. Yes, also there are some information to you that are embedded in my video course, which are not on my YouTube videos. Yes, which are some secrets behind affiliate marketing, how you can get targeted traffic for a particular product and other information. So to get my software and video course and start on any of your affiliate marketing platform, because my software work on any affiliate marketing platform, including Shopify, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any affiliate marketing platform. So you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway.71@gmail.com, or text my Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyway.71@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get started and start any on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes. So remember I said it works with any affiliate marketing platform and it is very efficient. It's a free traffic system, and my video course is self-explanatory and will take you step by step. Even as a beginner that has no idea about affiliate marketing or about the software, we start any immediately. Yes, because this is my student that I'm displaying the account Usman2288 got my software on the 13th of July and it started any on the 5th, on the 14th. Yes, because it is a auto software which you just need to set it up and it is broadcast and promote your product to the targeted audience for you to get commission, and there's 100% guarantee of you making sales per day. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get started and start earning from home. Once again, I go by the name Skywet and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Skywealth, for the privilege.
Thank you for the software, Mr. Skywealth.